Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn these beautiful red crochet flowers into earrings. For this project we're going to need earring pins or hooks, crochet needle, some beads and yarn, the same yarn as you use for the flowers, glue, as well as our crochet flowers that we made in one of my previous YouTube videos. Let's start by attaching the bead to the flower. Using a crochet needle, you'll insert it through both sides of the flower to secure the bead in place. I try to be as close to the center as possible while attaching the bead. Then, once both ends of the yarn are on the other side, on the back side of the flower, I try to get them close to each other and tie them just to make it more secure. Some people just end up hiding them, but I like to tie it first, especially since you won't be seeing the back of the earrings. Then once I tie them, I end up hiding the yarn by using my crochet needle. So this is what the flower looks like with the bead in the center. Once the bead is attached, add a tiny bit of glue to the back of each earring pin. And this glue has a very nice small tip so it doesn't go spilling too much. And then I will attach it to my crochet flower and make sure it's centered. The glue manufacturer recommends a 24-hour drying time, so I'll have to wait a little bit before I can wear them. Next, I'll repeat the process with the second earring. And if you prefer to skip the DIY process and you really like these earrings, they're also available on my online store. The link is in the video description. I have also included the links to all the materials you need, plus the previous tutorial link that shows how to make the crochet flowers. I think they're super cute in red and white, but I might do different colors later on too. But these are perfect for the spring and for celebrating Baba Marta, which is the traditional Bulgarian holiday that you celebrate in March. We wear lots of red and white, and it's also enjoyed in other parts of Eastern Europe. I'm now done with the second earring as well. I'll also place a tiny bit of glue in the back behind each earring where it meets the yarn. So I just have to wait until the glue dries completely. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.